Hello Pointagrammers, I'm Johnny. Today I'm going to show you how to push player widgets and settings to another player or a whole team. I have a fellow player called Junesi. When he logs in for the first time, I want to make sure that his profile widgets are in place. So I will head back to my profile and press on the maximize button and start editing our widgets. Note that settings such as mail on target will also be copied to the player. So I'm just going to fast forward and do some changes. So this is how my fellow player Junsu looks like before the push. Pressing on the copy button that looks like papers will take me to a copy menu. From here you can push the profile widget to your whole team or a specific player. When you're done, just press copy. In my example, my fellow player Junsi just got a copy of my selected widgets, so all Junsi have to do now is log in or refresh his browser. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.